Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Unlocktherapy. If you've got your hands on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, but you're stuck with a carrier lock, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you how to unlock it from any carrier, completely free. First off, let's clear up what a carrier lock actually is. When you buy your iPhone from a carrier, like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, it's usually locked to work only with their network. That means you can't pop in a SIM card from another provider until it's unlocked. But guess what? There are legit ways to unlock it. And yes, even on the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max running iOS 18. Step 1. Let's check if your iPhone is actually locked. Go to Settings, General, About, and scroll down to Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, congrats, you're already unlocked. The most reliable and free method is to request an unlock directly from your carrier. Here's how. Paid off your device? Not reported as stolen or lost? Account in good standing? Once you meet those criteria, go to your carrier's website, search for unlocked device, and submit the request. It usually takes a few days. Apple doesn't unlock iPhones, they follow the carrier's instructions. But if your iPhone was bought outright from Apple, it might already be unlocked. Try inserting a SIM from another carrier to test it. There are third-party tools and services out there, but be careful. Many are scams. Never pay for an unlock unless you absolutely trust the source, and even then, check reviews. We don't promote paid unlocking tools. Proceed at your own risk. Using eSIM? Some users have reported success activating a second eSIM line from another carrier, even when the primary SIM is locked. This isn't a full unlock, but it can be a clever workaround. That's it, guys. With a bit of patience and the right steps, you can free your iPhone 17 Pro Max and use it anywhere in the world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop your questions down in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and happy unlocking.